Welcome to another episode of Premium Solutions Exterior. Today I'm here in the Kenmore area. I am about to do a skylight repair. It's leaking around the skylight, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be removing the skylight itself, the step flashing on both sides of the skylight, the roof to wall that is located on the lower side of the skylight, and also the back pan, which is this one here. My concern is here. You guys can see there. Look at this one here. So it has a staple in the perimeter. You guys gonna see it. See? Look. There, here. All the way up there. Same. You guys can see it here. See? Look. This is my concern. I'm gonna do the repair. Let's see how it looks like. Now, one more thing. You guys can see this board here. There is a nail here, there, and also there. This nail is what we call D16. It's about 3.5 inches long. And there is a board here, and also there is another board right there. I had to remove the shingle in that area because there will not be a hole there. If it's rain, water will be going inside the attic, and then again it's gonna cause another leak. But I'm gonna I'm gonna fix that area and fix that one. About the staple on the perimeter, actually you can see staple here. Actually this one is bad. Anyways, all right, I think it's time to work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have removed all of the flashing and the shingles around. Here, everything looks fine. But I want you guys to take a quick look at this area here. There's still water here. You can see it was dripping here. So I pull this. Look at the plywood. I'm gonna leave it like this for about an hour so it can dry it out. In the meantime, I'm gonna run to the store and grab the material. Still good, very strong. It's just wet with water. It's not a big deal. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so here I am. Okay, this is Skylight. This is what we call curb mount, and this is the code, and this is the measurement. Now, the good thing about the fixed Skylight curb mount is that you have to remove the old Skylight and place the new one. That's it. Thing is getting the Skylight, which is getting expensive right now because of the inflation, but I'm gonna get it out from the box and I'll show you how it looks like. Yes, stay tuned. All right, this is how it looks, the new Skylight. Brand new. Now the reason that I replaced that Skylight is because of this. I'll show you. You guys can see it here. See that gasket? This one here. This gasket is good, but look at that one. See right here? So every time it's rain, water will be going inside from here. So far there is no leaks. Look at this area. Actually, there is a moss growing inside here. It's not a big deal. No leaks yet. But that's the main reason that I replaced that skylight. I will show you in a minute how it looks like. And but before to do that, I'm just gonna clean this mess. So stay tuned. Okay, this is how it looks. I replaced the shingles around the skylight only. New flashing on that side, new flashing. The leaks, it was there. And I also replace this line, that one. I replaced this one because the tarp, it was right there, and it caused a lot of damage. There's still more staples that was left because of the tarp, like this one. See, look at that one, this one. A small little damage all the way down. Look at that one. Look at this one. See here? All of that because of the tarp. And I'm pretty sure that it's not gonna leak around the skylight. Not anymore. Alright, so this is Rafael with Premium Solutions Exterior, 425-599-4850. Feel free to call me or even text me anytime. See you next time. Bye bye.